Hi, this is Srinivasan Ramanujam, founder and CEO of Career Mudra. So we are saying about Instagram influencers, right? So yesterday we have seen, what are all the things we are going to cover up in this series on YouTube, and how we are going to deliver it for the users, and what are all the audiences type. We have all those things we had a discussion yesterday. So in this video today, I'm going to explain a very simple statistics. Okay, actually, this is going to be a very interesting statistics for any users, Instagram users, to know before going to the convert into a business profile, right? uh, First of all, going into the top tips or hacks, how to do the active profiling, active on Instagram. One must know about why we need to have a profile on Instagram. So this is very important to know before going into all the tips, hacks, techniques, and how to increase the followers, how to do the increase the business sales and revenues and extra etc. I mean, including content marketing, including storytelling, and how to do a nice presentation through photos or videos, whatever it is, right? So before going in depth, I'm going to explain a simple statistics why one needs a profile on Instagram with respect to business. So, recently the survey says that there are 1 billion active users on a monthly basis on Instagram. 1 billion monthly active users on Instagram. This is number one. And 500 million stories has been viewed. 500 million stories has been viewed on Instagram. This is two. Number three, 60% of adults online are using Instagram. 60% of adults are using Instagram. So in that, there is one more statistics. It says that 35% of user base is at US. Okay, so 80% of the top applications, I mean the apps, okay, so apps, user base is outside the US. It is not inside the US, it is outside the US. So 80% of apps user base. So whoever is using the so many apps on Instagram or whatever it is, they are out of the US market. And there are 25 million business profiles are there on Instagram. So this is the power of Instagram tool. So this is a nice statistics. This is very great statistics. One entrepreneur or a businessman or the small scale industry people should know why they should have their profile on Instagram. Means that 25 million business profile on Instagram means that it says something, right, for a business. And that's why every business they are coming into on Instagram to showcase their brand value to the customers. Okay, so there are one more important statistics. 80% of Instagram users 80% of Instagram users follow at least one business. So this is again, one must know why we should go on for Instagram. Why, I mean, a lot of digital marketers are talking about we must have a profile on Instagram. 80% of the Instagram users, okay, they are following at least one business. So it means a lot. Okay, so there is one more statistics, that is 72% of users. See, this is again, this is very attracting factor why we should have our business on Instagram. 72% of users, they say that they have purchased the product, they have seen on the platform. That means they have seen on Instagram platform, they are deciding and they are buying through Instagram posts, in Instagram videos, Instagram storytelling, Instagram, the content. So 72% is not a very less number. 72% is 72% decision makers on any business. It means a lot for the business people, for entrepreneurs, for homemakers to sell their products, and even teaching, education, training, coach, for anything, fitness, healthcare, everything. Now they are dealing all the things on Instagram. So with this note, I conclude for today's thing, and we will see tomorrow for how to do. Now we have seen why we should have a profile, and the tomorrow we will see about what are all the things, what are all the top things we need to consider with respect to a marketing on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you so much.